Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to remove the recycle bin icon from your Windows 10 desktop. So, let's get started. The first step is quite simple. Begin by right-clicking anywhere on your desktop background. A context menu will appear. From this menu, select Personalize. In the Personalization window, you'll see several options on the left sidebar. Click on Themes. Under Themes, you'll find a section labeled Related Settings. In this section, click on Desktop Icon Settings. Now you'll see a list of desktop icons you can enable or disable. To remove the recycle bin, simply uncheck the box next to it. After that, click either Apply or OK to confirm your choice. Head back to your desktop and you'll notice that the recycle bin icon has disappeared. You successfully removed the recycle bin icon from your Windows 10 desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Windows 10 tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.